In this video, I am traveling 13.5 nautical miles from Rebecca Spit on the bottom of Quadra Island to the Octopus Islands Marine Park on the top side of Quadra Island. We had a wonderful time at Rebecca Spit, and it is definitely worth staying a few nights to enjoy the beach and explore nearby Harriet Bay. There is a very shallow shoal on your port side as you enter, so watch your chart. I will be transiting Beasley Passage and plan to hit Surge Narrows at Slack. Established as a marine park in 1974, the Octopus Islands still feel untouched, a place where the pace slows, the tides set the schedule, and the biggest decision of the day is whether to paddle, hike, or simply pour a glass of wine and watch the sunset. Many boaters swing on the hook in Wyatt Bay, but I chose a small quiet bay on the north side of the entrance and stern tide. Unfortunately, our time at Octopus was cut short and we had to return to the city, but that's life. I will definitely go back and do the hike to Newton Lake. I also have to drop off my boat plaque in the Boat Names Shack. More adventures to look forward to.